Look at this awful mess. Looks like it's impossible to clean. Don't you hate this sight in your kitchen after every meal? Hi everyone and welcome back. Dirty and messy kitchen is common sight in every house, mostly after lunch and dinner. Whenever I see this, I always wonder from where to start first. You may also get this thought every day कि कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? For me, it's always better to start with dishes. Remember, it is only these dirty dishes which makes the mess seem unmanageable. This tub you can see is for dishwasher utensils. I brush and keep them in this tub and then arrange them in dishwasher. Once every dish is inside dishwasher and rest of the utensils are also clean, it becomes easier to clean rest of the kitchen. Coming to the cleaning of kitchen platform, जितना सामान बिखरा होगा उतनी ही ज़्यादा क्लीनिंग आपको करनी पड़ेगी. हर चीज़ की एक फिक्स प्लेस होनी चाहिए. लाइक while using kitchen towel, don't throw it anywhere. Instead, hang them in their particular place to avoid mess. Gas stove is must to clean after every cooking. Otherwise, the food and oil stains will dry and will be very difficult to clean. So it's always better to wipe your gas stove with wet and dry cloth after every cooking you do. I don't use any sponge or any fancy cloth to wipe my kitchen platform or gas stove. Just an ordinary cotton fabric from any old t-shirt or any old towel will do the whole work perfectly. I try to keep or arrange things on kitchen racks because there is no wall space, so I prefer using these racks, which helps me to keep things organized. And very important, due to these racks, I can clean the entire surface every day very easily within no time. By keeping things organized, not only gives you clutter-free look, but it's also very functional and easy to move things all together and saves lots of time and energy. Sink area is always very difficult to deal with. Use small wiper to clean those extra water near sink and then wipe it with a dry cloth. This way, sink will dry soon. Don't forget to clean your soap dishes at least once a week. We mostly ignore soap holders most of the time, but they are also important part of kitchen when it comes to cleaning. If possible, clean or wipe your microwave daily to remove all those food articles which remains inside. It's very unhygienic to use microwave without cleaning it from inside. Also, it leaves unwanted smell due to the food particles reheating again and again. I prefer to clean my microwave daily. Also, you must cover the bowl while reheating the food to avoid mess. Now coming back to kitchen organization, we all have good collection of small and big serving tray, and many times most of them are not in use. Use those tray for organizing everything which you keep directly on your countertop. You will amazed to see the result by organizing like this. And whenever you want to clean the counter, you just need to move the tray and cleaning task can be done easily without much effort. I am having this big lazy Susan from very long time and I use this here and there wherever needed for organizing many things like jars, cutleries, oil bottles, etc. I am arranging few things on this rotating tray just to show you how useful is this organizing idea, and you may also use it in any of your kitchen corner. I would like to tell you about an online website, MeraLink website, from where you can buy many home and kitchen products at very reasonable price. In fact, Few things I am using in my kitchen I bought from Miralink website. Here you will get cash on delivery, free delivery and 5 days returns and replacement. Do check out the website for variety of new products. All links are given in the video's description. You can click and shop from the given link. Also, if you are not very comfortable in online shopping, use the WhatsApp link and shop easily. You can see I am using a big tray for all my mixer and grinder and their jars. Few appliances you don't use daily, so keep them organized like this, which is very convenient to take from whenever needed instead of keeping them on your countertop. I have shown you in my last video how I use my microwave top for organizing few containers. Use little decoration, but better not to use too much of them, otherwise it may increase your cleaning load. You can use few plants and tea lights for your kitchen decoration. Utilizing every bit of space available, use small basket for storing fruits. Kitchen organizing is an art. I know you all will agree on this. And if you have a small kitchen, you need to mastering this art, as you have to create space from no space. Apart from this, a messy kitchen is very time consuming and you don't want to spend 24 hours working in kitchen. So we need to organize it as per our needs and requirements. I really wish these ideas which I am sharing with you will help you in some way to have a beautiful, well organized and clean kitchen. With lots of new tips and ideas, we'll see you soon. Have a great day.